Okay, so this is part 1 of survival. You can't see my whole inventory. But, yeah, looks like I need to get my wood. My sister's playing Minecraft on Xbox, so. Good. Craft table. I'll set that down right here. Nice old sticks. Let's get us a little bit of that. We have a sword. Let's get here.
I have 11 sugar cane. I got some sugar cane. I'm coming in.
Well,
What?
oh, it's about that. Sorry. Let's get this in.
I got some wood.
Now, I'll be showing you guys some Hunger Games on the Xbox
I got
sooner or later.
5 pieces
As
of
soon as
wood
I get that
and
hard drive
don't
thingy
have-
majigger,
I have some plates.
I'll show you it,
Not very much.
and then I will just, yeah, so.
I got some wood, but not planks.
Yeah, it's not gonna work out well for tonight. I'm gonna tell. Just put that right there, right there.
What?
And then,
Why me?
see?
Can I get them?
Okay.
How come I have the crafting table?
Okay, now. No. I think that would work. It's a house. This way. Go. This out of the freaking way. Just put it over here. Right there. Like that. And then at night we'll block that up and just hope nothing spawns in here. As long as we go. Who's my gonna look like this?
Yeah.
Probably all fine. But this is really small. I mean, for you beginners, it's probably like how you would start. But for me, I'm not like you. I like to build things. I like just right off the bat build a mansion. Just like that. Like some mods every single day. So it's that. Oh, and I'm gonna get mods for my Xbox just so I can mod when I'm playing the Hunger Games, and they're all gonna be all mad. And then, okay, 57. Furnace. Dang it, laggy. We have nothing to burn, really. Oh. Should we head out there? Let's get prepared. It's gonna be death breaking. I know it is. Understand? And never gonna be that man. Never gonna go out there anyways. Cause we're little retards and we don't wanna die. Yay! Whee! 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 Whee!
I don't know.
Get up.
What the?
Go down that tree. Down that tree. Down that tree. Down that tree. Go down that tree. And then we'll get 3 of, you know what? Charcoal. And make some torches. So let's set 3 inside. 1, 2, 3. Set just a whole stack in there. This right there. Go-bee. Go-bee! Go-bee! Oh, there we go. That's one. Go-bee! Go-bee! Oh, geez, I love that word. Go-bee! Okay, there we go. Just grab that. Set right there. Oh, yep, it's starting to turn night out there. We gotta block up our entrance. But, let me just get some of this. Need some of this, and we need some of that. And that's all for today. So I'll see you guys in the next episode.